This is my Ninja blender and food processor that I got for Black Friday. So I'm just trying to open it here, see what we got. Because I'm about to make a nice smoothie, you know. I'll be posting the recipe online. So yeah. So here we go. Looks like got some instructions here. Let's see. Throw that aside. Alright, looks like first here is the actual blender part. Open this up. There we go. Just throw that to the side. Nice big so I can make more than one, you know, get a couple servings. Set that aside for just a minute here. Oh. Looks like this is a single serve cup. This is probably the lid. Yep. For a smoothie on the go, you know. Whatever. Okay, this is loaded to the blender. Piece of the blender. I don't need all that right now to make the smoothie. Ooh, that noise. Alright, it looks like down in here is the actual food processor part. I love the food processors because you can put vegetables in here and it'll mash it up nice. Here's another single serve cup. That's cool. Came with two. Yep. So yeah, food processor. Like I said, great for doing vegetables to add to the smoothie. You know, so that's what I really wanted was this food processor. And let me see. Here's the base for the food processor and the blender. Ninja. Looks very professional. I like it. Let's see, what is this? Is it? Okay. Oh, another lid. Okay. Put that back in here for now. Ta-da! Yep, so this is what I'm going to use right now to go make that smoothie. And I will be posting some recipes online for everybody. And yeah, alright, that's it. I'll wrap it up. Thank you. Have a great day.